Hi everybody. Today we're going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for Medicare online. Now in my opinion, if you're turning 65, this is typically the easiest way for you to do this. If you postponed your Medicare due to working, it might be best to do it a separate way, but we will save that for a different video. So first thing you want to do here is you want to open up a browser and you want to go to Social Security's website. So we're going to go to ssa.gov. Okay, SSA, Social Security Administration.gov, SSA.gov. And you're going to see this page here. Now this is current for the year 2019. The website changes periodically from time to time, and so sometimes the website might look slightly different than this, but you should be able to still be able to navigate it no matter what changes they've made. It's always been relatively similar throughout the years. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to this part right here where it says menu with the 3 lines. Click on that and it takes you to this next page. You have all these options here. Under where it says benefits right here, it'll be the 3rd option down in blue, Medicare. So then it takes you to this next page about Medicare. There's some related information on the side here. It says it takes less than 10 minutes. That typically depends. Nowadays, they make you have a Social Security account set up in order for you to do this. If you don't, you have to set one up first. Typically, it's going to request that you enter in a lot of information and verify your identity in a lot of different ways, and some of which they want you to be able to list some accounts that you might have opened up in 1985 or something like that. And so sometimes for some people that can be a little difficult to be able to drudge up those memories and be able to answer those correctly. So that's probably the most difficult part, is creating the account for some people. If you already have an account, no problem. But you go to apply for Medicare only, you click on that. And it'll take you to this page right here where it makes you authorize that you understand the terms and conditions. You hit I understand and I agree. Hit next. It'll take you to the end of this page. And you're going to want to do start a new application. I'm applying for myself. Do you have an account? In our case, we're going to say no. Do you have an address in the United States? Yes. Hit next. And then the next step is it's going to want you to create an account before it will let you progress. I'm not going to be able to do that, but you kind of get an idea. You know, it's going to want you to authorize the terms and conditions in order to create that account. And you're going to have to enter in a lot of basic information about you. And then the next page, it will want you to confirm your identity by answering a number of security questions as far as, credit accounts you may have opened, or mortgages or car loans or anything like that. Once you've done that, it will automatically take you to the next page where you will be able to fill out the application for Medicare. But if you get there, the rest is pie. I hope that you found this video extremely helpful, folks. Do us all a favor, and if you did, please drop a like on this video, drop a comment on what you think, and please subscribe for future tutorials like this on how you can best make the maximum use of your Medicare. Thanks for watching.